Your turn.
That's it. Spin. Spin like Daddy. Spin. Yeah.
Yeah.
That wasn't very many times. Usually he does it more. Here he goes. So he just started doing this on his own, like the other day, and we were like, "What is he doing?" And then he would just start walking like a Did he do his spin? Oh. One spin and he just flops out.
So busy from last time.
Oh.
Sometimes it's so many times I'm like, oh man, he's gonna fart.